Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Tesla tire. First, gather all your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a lug wrench, and of course, your new or spare tire. Next, ensure your Tesla is parked on a completely flat and stable surface, then firmly engage the parking brake for safety. Finally, take a moment to locate the specific jacking points on your Tesla's frame. Using these correctly is crucial for safe and effective lifting. With your tools ready and the car secured, it's time to lift. Carefully position your jack at one of the designated jacking points and slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is just barely touching the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts, but don't remove them completely yet. Once they are all loose, finish lifting the car so the tire is fully off the ground, then remove the nuts and the flat tire. Now for the new tire. Carefully align the new tire with the wheel studs and slide it onto the hub, making sure it sits flush against the brake rotor. Hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. Once they are all in place, lower the vehicle slightly until the tire just makes contact with the ground. Then, using your lug wrench, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once all the lug nuts are securely tightened, you can fully lower your Tesla and remove the jack and any jack stands. Before you hit the road, remember to double-check all the lug nuts one last time to ensure they are securely tightened. Safety is paramount, so take that extra moment. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking for ways to simplify your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.